Good day. Today I will model this part, a simple part for beginners. Hope you enjoy. Start a new sketch. Just start a new part file. Now we make a sketch on the front plane. Just draw a bunch of lines. We'll put some dimensions to constrain it later. You go vertical, switch to an angle, go vertical again, and go across until you meet. Go across until you line with the origin. The dimension is 63 millimeter. Now you're going to offset this whole geometry by 16 millimeters to the left. Just line that up. So locate the origin. Now let's do offset. Select chain, 16 millimeters. Keep chain selected. Now pick this and switch side. Click reverse. Lovely. Okay to that. Okay, line tool, just close this part. Now let's get more dimensions. That will be the height of 163 millimeters overall height. And from the top to this edge is 53 millimeters. Lovely. Now we need to get a center line because you want to mirror this thing across. We need to half sketch, so we can use the mirror tool. So we need a center line there. Dimension across the center line. If you touch the center line, then you're going to get dimension going right across, like a diameter dimension, 90 millimeters. That's fully defined. And from here, going across is 32 millimeters. Now our sketch is fully defined. Make the 32 millimeters. Now select everything and press the mirror tool. Now sketch is mirrored across. Close sketch and extrude. Extrude both space and direction mid plane. You want to extrude to 50 millimeters. So our first part there created. Now let's get a fillet tool. We want to get a full round fillet on this part. Click full round fillet. Click the three faces. Click right mouse, left mouse button. Click right mouse. Select and click the right mouse button. Again, extrude the fillet, full round face. Select right mouse button, and select and click the right mouse button. Done. Get our fillet there. I'm going to sketch on his face. Draw a circle of 20 millimeters diameter. If you hover across there, you'll get the center. 20 millimeters. Close sketch, extrude cut. You want to cut through all and make a hole right through. Lovely. Cut that. Now make a sketch with the top face. Normal tool. Draw two circles. One is 16 millimeters. Other one is 32 millimeters. Beautiful. Close sketch. Extrude up to 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters. Lovely. Now we'll reuse the sketch again. This time we're going to cut a hole using the same old sketch we used before. select the inner contour and cut your hole through there. You can go through all, doesn't matter. Through all, there's your hole. Now make a sketch on this face. Draw 2 circles. The inner circle is 16 millimeters. You can eyeball it for now, we'll define it later. Just put it anyway, 16 millimeters. Then the other one is diameter 38 millimeters, radius 19. Okay, Mr. Center, they just select both the circles and go concentric relation. That will put them in the same center. Now align this to the origin vertically. Lovely. Now the distance from the center of this small circle to the center of that big circle is 98 millimeters. Now our circle is fully defined. Close sketch and extrude. You're going to use end condition up to surface. Up to surface. And create this surface here. Right, lovely. Now use a sketch again to do the other side. The sketch. This time I'm going to say extruding from this from a surface. Pick that surface, and then end condition up to surface, and pick this surface. Lovely. Now make a sketch on the front plane. Just draw a line. Make sure you're catching this point, this end points here. Another one there. That line will be fully defined. Now I can close sketch. Now use the rib tool here. Click rib. The thickness of the rib is 14 millimeters. Flip material direction to inside. Lovely. Once it's selected, you can use the mirror tool. Mirror across the right plane. You got another rib on the other side. Beautiful. Now, you need a hole going through. Select the sketch that built that post there. And reuse it to cut the hole now. Select the inner contour. That's the one. No, not like that. Cancel that. Right, that's the one I'm looking for. Now I go through all. I'm gonna cut a hole right through. There's a hole. Now let's throw a couple of fillets there and then we're done. The fillet tool. The first fillet is 22 millimeters radius. Pick that edge, this edge, and the 2 inner edges. This one and that one. Okay. The next fillet is 3 millimeters. This edge, that edge, that edge, and that edge. There's 2 more on the inside. That one and that one. Lovely. Now, one more fillet. Fillet 2. This time radius is 10 millimeters. Pick this edge and that edge, and then we're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a lovely day.